Hey, what's up, guys? I'm doing 2 flashback packs. As you can see, I already have one in the set, and then I have one more. I just decided to do this because I can't transfer these coins to my main account, so why not just spend all of it, I guess. First flashback pack. I'm kind of nervous. See what we get. Hopefully a Mike Vick, Chris Johnson, or Deshaun Jackson. Yeah. Hopefully I get one of those. First one, Brian Orakpo. I don't know if that's worth anything, but hopefully it is. But let's go on to the second one. I got one more than I needed, but it's fine. Okay, second pack. I'm gonna close my eyes for this one. 3, 2, 1. I'll open it. Did it open? Shit. Okay, it didn't open. Okay, it's open now. Wait. Curtis Lofton. I don't know if that's good either. I'm gonna check the prices for both of these. Who's the first one I got? Brian Orakpo. Okay. Hopefully these are worth something, because I spent a lot for that. Whatever. Oh, no. No way! Dude, Brian Orakpo. That's worth a ton. 250K? Dang. Oh my god, I'm excited. That's awesome. Who's the second guy I got? Curtis Lofton. That's crazy. Let's go. This guy isn't as much. 125K. Still, good pack. Good flashback pack. No opening. Got Brian Orakpo. That's a good pull. Thank you all for watching. See you later.